I am Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people. People need me. Yes, your future depends on me. I have been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. I can take you or leave you. One way or the other, your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
Maybe it's all down to the thought of her. Maybe it's all down to the loss we learned. Knew for a long time for all it's worth. I wanted to run to you. What if I'm caught up and it's me you're calling? What if I'm lost now, plus if demons coming? When she kissed me, I felt a new freedom or something. Well, move on. I found a moment to be brave, so I let her know. And she said, how could I love you back? You who dropped your dreams in the gutter. And in my winter she'll be burning slow. Feels like December knows me well. Cause I loved you. Does that mean nothing to you now? I loved you. Get me back on homely ground. She said, oh, I know that love is all about the winds. How it can hold me up and kill me in the end. Still I loved it. Does that mean nothing to you now?
There is massive destruction.
Days when we all watched till we lost the birds.
Major earthquake that has rocked Mexico.
Wildfires in California burned more than 100,000 acres. Absolutely horrific.
I wanted to run to you.
It's been proven through science that the climate change is due to human activity.
Maybe I've lost count of the nighttime all in. So the trees in her first.
It's hard enough to feel Mother Nature's rage.
'Cause I love